is AV George here, and we are back with another video tutorial. I'm super excited to be back, alive, sound, and healthy. I appreciate God for everyone that joined us in this video. You're very welcome. My name is AV George. Welcome to my channel. So, guys, straight to the point. These are the things we'll be needing for this style. You'll be needing an expression hair, a scissors. You need a straw. Now when getting a straw, make sure you get a strong straw that won't bend while you're rolling the hair. Of course, you'll be needing a brush. So now the first thing I did was to prepare the hair, unravel the hair like so. Then grab your scissors and cut it into two like so. Now this clip is just to show you guys how to do this. This hair really wasn't for this style, but this is just the process you go when you want to achieve this. You get what I mean? Like normally if you're going for a ponytail, you should cut the hair into 4 or 3, not 2. Okay, I just added this clip just to show you guys how to prepare your hair for the ponytail clip.
I thought I was a main chick, but I guess I was on the side. Not that I'm not okay with it, but you ain't have to lie. Don't need the stress, no, don't need no pressure. Don't need the stress anyway. I'm cool on you, baby. I said I'm cool on you, baby. I don't wanna be a main thing. I don't need a ring. I don't need those things to make my body sing. I just wanna have fun now. Please don't give me the rundown. I just want you to come round and ooh, you could be with her, you could be with them. Just give me mom, give me mom. Got 2 shows this week. I don't have time, don't box me in, baby. I'm not a mine. Slide on through once you leave her. I only need you for a second. I don't need love, love, love. I'm never lonely for a second. Once we through, you ain't even gotta hold me. I don't wanna be a main thing. I don't need a ring. I don't need those things to make my body sing. I just wanna have fun now.
So when you are done with that, grab the size of hair you want, and then roll it through the straw like so. Now the process of doing this is just roll it. Like while you rolling it, don't give any space. Make sure they are close together, like, and very tight. Okay, just watch through and understand the process.
I just wanna have fun now. Please don't give me the rundown. I just want you to come round and ooh, you could be with her, you could be with them. Just give me mom, give me mom. I thought I was a main chick, but I guess I was on the side. Not that I'm not okay with it, but you ain't have to lie. Don't need the stress, no, don't need no pressure. Don't need the stress anyway. I'm cool on you, baby. I said I'm cool on you, baby. I don't wanna be a main thing. I don't need a ring. I don't need those things to make my body sing. I just wanna have fun now. Please don't give me the rundown. I just want you to come round and ooh, you could be with her, you could be with them. Just give me mom, give me mom. Got 2 shows this week. I don't have time, don't box me in, baby. I'm not a mine. Slide on through once you leave her. I only need you for a second.
So guys, when you're done with that, make sure you trim its section, and then this is how your hair should look like after you must have done everything. Put all in a bowl, then pour hot water in it, and then allow it sit for like 5 minutes, then air dry it, and your hair is ready for work. Now this clip is a clip when the hair is all dry. The hair is all dry now. As you can see, the hair is all dry and ready to be used. So straight to unraveling the hair. Now losing this hair is very easy. Just remove the rubber band and then pull the hair out. It's that simple. It's that easy.
Once we through, you ain't even gotta hold me. I don't wanna be a main thing. I don't need a ring. I don't need those things to make my body sing. I just wanna have fun now. Please don't give me the rundown. I just want you to come round and ooh, you could be with her, you could be with them. Just give me mom, give me mom. Thought I was the main chick, but I guess I was on the side. Not that I'm not okay with it, but you ain't have to lie. Love, I'm never lonely or sad. Once we through, you ain't even gotta hold me. I don't wanna be a main thing. I don't need a ring. I don't need those things to make my body sing. I just wanna have fun now. Please don't give me the rundown. I just want you to come round and ooh.
So after losing the hair, this is what it should look like. Okay, so grab your crochet pin, then a ponytail cap. This is the ponytail cap I love using. It came with a drawstring and two clips on the cap. So grab your cap, secure it on top of your mannequin head with your taping like so. Like I secured the extreme and the fourth side of the cap so that to do is to grab your hair, then run your hand through it like so. Run your hand twice on it like so. Then when you run your hand on it, it makes the hair very easy to unravel. Like as you can see, it's so very easy to unravel. Now before you do this, make sure your palm is creamed. Like as you can see, my palm is creamed. Cut the hair into two, then shuffle the mouth like so, so you won't have that sharp cuts of scissors. Like shuffle the mouth this way, and then grab small section of hair you'll be using, like small section accordingly, then fold it into two. Grab your crochet pin, pull your crochet needle through your cap, grab the hair, and then knot it, like knot it twice as you can see, so that the hair won't unravel with time. Okay, it's same process. Pull your crochet pin through the net, grab the hair, then knot it twice. Okay, so now this is the spacing I'm using. Now it depends on how full you want your ponytail to look. If you want your ponytail to be very big, you can cover like almost all the space on the car, but I don't want my ponytail to be that scanty and I don't want it to be that very big, so I space out a whole lot. Now it all depends on you, what you want. My ponytail is ready. I went ahead to remove the tip pin from the cap. Okay. And then trim the hair a little bit. Like if you finish working and the hair is too big, you can trim it down a little bit. So here I am trying to put on the ponytail clip. Now you can wear this ponytail anyhow you want. You can wear it down, you can wear it up. Now this is how the inside of the ponytail, this is how it looks. As you can see, now this is the drawstring. I like placing my drawstring in the front and then the other side at the back. Okay, you can go ahead and wear it anyhow you want. This is how I love wearing any ponytail I then fit. Use the clip and clip it down your hair, then secure the drawstring, tie it down and then roll it round on your hair so that it will be properly secured. Okay, use your hand and arrange the hair properly. Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I am sure you learned something new. If you did, leave us a comment in the comments box below. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button to support your girl and on the notification button to know when I upload a new video. I'll be leaving now and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.